Hey, hello all. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Fine. So today, like I told, today I'll show you exactly what we are going to do. So this is what today we are going to see and learn the use cases. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Viswes. So today we'll see how we can create these kind of workflows. Of course, workflows I'll give you free of cost. Like you can just add JSON file and you can tweak. But the main important thing, how you can connect these tools, right? And what you need. For today, we'll see exactly about these three platforms, WAPI, which is technically going to help us for creating a voice agent, Twilio, which is again for telephony, and then N10 for automation. So what exactly it is, let me show you, and then I'll show you how we can do all these things. What it does. For an example, I have this website also. So the workflow that I'm going to explain right now, this is a production level workflow. It means every people wanted to use it, right? Whether whether in their website, whether in their form, or whether in lead management, any kind of thing. So over here, if you will able to see, as soon as I'll click over here, okay, so you can see we have lead capture form. Once I'll click here, so the form will pop up, and if I'll show you the link, let me show you the link also directly. Here you can see, so that's how the form will pop up, and even that we can attach in our website also. Like I have attached over here test AI calls, the same form, right? So once the form will pop up, and here you are able to see it's running, right? It waiting for trigger. So let us fill the form. Okay, Dhruv, and let's keep a number. Hope it should not block my number, because again and again we cannot put. I'll show you, and let's click get a call back, and here you will it got triggered. Okay, so done. So here you can see it already got triggered, and now let me click in front of you. So entire workflow. So as soon as I fill the form, here you all are able to see we got all the details that we filled inside the form. Dhruv, name, phone, email, source, requirement, submitted, and mode. Okay, now let me click directly here, so you will able to see how this workflow exactly work. Now once I click here, it started working. The best part, okay, the best part, I'm going to get a call as well, and I'm going to, okay, so you can see it just blocked my number. Reason because, let me fill again new form, Dhruv, and not Dhruv, let's take Prince, number +91. So anyone can test and try. You all can go here also. Let me give you link as well. Here you can go kotite.com. Here you all can fill the form, and you are going to get a call. So right now it's, I just added a limit. There is a reason behind that. So where is the form? Here, yes. So let me add the number Prince, phone number +91 8770018. Okay, email address AI with Prince @gmail.com, LinkedIn, and AI automation. Once I'll click on get call back here, now you will able to see it is going to update first of all in my CRM, then it is updating and mailing me as well. It is generating a proper mail that is going. So here you can see it is a well structured mail that user will receive. Once mail is done, then it is going to make a call directly, and once the call is being picked, fine, so it is just blocking. So once if it is not blocking, then the call go over here and it is going to make direct call, okay, from here. uh, so if I'll take you in my mail as well, let me show you how this works. So whatever the mail is being given here, you can see that's how it does. Okay, Prince AI automation just called you. Imagine what's next. This kind of interface, this kind of messages your uh, you know, if any client is filling that particular form, that can be customized properly with this interface. And yes, they can click over here as well. So link added each and everything. So like so much customization that can be done in a real time, and it can be used at a production level. Fine. So this is what it does. This is the one case, and second case will cover also second workflow. That is, uh, the same system can book a meeting in a real time. So let me show you that also here, which is okay. Okay, so here it is, right? So even this is also the same flow where if we have connected with our WebP, it can book a meeting in a real time, it can send a mail also. For these two workflows, we are going to see today. And like I told you, if someone want to test and try, you guys can go in a real time. You can go over here, click test AI call free, fill your name, fill your phone number with country code, your email and all, and you will able to test and try in a real time. Fine. Right now, I added. So here you can see I added, blocker, because sometime what happens, people spams. So that's how you can lose your lot of credit. So we need to add it. It only work with real person, real name, real number. Before that I tried 2 and 3 times. So if I'll show you here, here you can see where it is. Yeah. So here if I'll show you the workflow, here you can see. Yes, the same workflow. Okay, doing all these things, going over here, and it is making a call in a real time using this. Calling on which number? My number. Fine. So this is a workflow like that we can use as a form. It can connect it with any website, and it can help you for inbound leads. Okay, same we can generate for outbound lead also. So fine. So like that I told what we learned WebP AI voice agent. So the voice agent that is calling to the number that we are doing creating with the help of WebP. So that I'll show you how we can do that. So what we'll see, create an AI assistant, custom prompts and personality. Okay, how we can create in a way that we wanted, right? Like I have created right now, it can make a call the way that I wanted, but how you can make a call, then custom prompt and personality, okay, and real time tool calling. So it happens in a real time. If we have added using an 18, in that case it can be automated like you can see right now. Then we need some phone number so it can make a call. Okay, that we'll be doing with the help of Twilio. And then we need phone number setup, inbound, outbound calls, call recording, transcript, each and everything. And we'll use N8. N8 is a kind of platform which will connect all these systems like your Gmail, your WebP, your Twilio. So it can be automated properly. So what will happen? Form will be filled, instant AI callback like you have seen. then email plus calendar plus CRM login, real time sales follow up. Fine. So that's how it happens. Let me show you in my Telegram as well, that in my Telegram also I received that lead alert in my mail as well. Okay, so here you can see lead is blocked because of anti spam. That's fine. uh Here you can see that's how leads comes. Okay, name, LinkedIn and all. So it is going to, it is notify me in my Telegram also, so I'll not miss this particular lead. Okay, so we are using for notifications, mail, Twilio, mail, Telegram, all those things. And the platform that we are going to use, this platform. Fine. I hope you all are able to see what we are going to do and how it can be done. So now let me take you directly how we can fit up each and everything. Okay, so yeah, let me show you step by step how we can do that. So creating this workflow is not a big deal now. This can be created with the help of AI. I'll give you just JSON file and you guys can directly tweak and you can set up. Yeah, outbound emails with follow up. Yes, that can be also done. Even I set it up also. So if here you will able to see, this is something for outbound lead as well. And whenever system is making going to make a call, so let me log in inside my WebP, which is going to call in a real time to your user. I'll show you also, and then we can automate with the help of N10 to get a mail to get receive all those things. So any possibilities, right? Inbound, outbound, and anything is possible. Okay, so now here we are in WebP dashboard. That's how it looks like. What we need to do all these things, we need to create an assistant. So just I'll show you once the assistant that I have created, and then I'll tell you how you can do that. So here, let me show you some real-time examples. Okay, just we need to put our number. Once I'll click on make call, leave anyway. Here we have this number, and let me choose my assistant. Let me add my number. Let me click on make call, and now let me show you. So here you all can see we got a call. Of course, like right now the number is same with the name of Angelina. Yeah.
Hi, Abhijit. This is Sophia. I work with security operations teams across Canada. I know this is out of the blue, but I genuinely think you'll want to hear this.
Okay.
2 minutes?
Yeah, tell me. Yes, yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Thanks, Abhijit. So this is why I reached out. I've been working with security ops teams. Thanks, Abhijit. So here's why I reached out. I've been working with security ops teams, specifically companies running large-scale guard deployments like Paladin. And there's one thing that keeps coming up, the shift filling.
Okay, done. Can you do one thing? Can you share me a mail in my AI with Dhruv at the rate gmail.com, or like AI with Dhruv at the rate gmail.com? A for apple, I for import, W for week, and W I for again import, T for tiger, H for horse, with DHRUV, D for dog, H for like horse, R for like rose, U for umbrella, V for win at the rate gmail.com. Just send me a mail. Okay, just send me a mail in my email ID and book a meeting for like 25th Feb, 8 p.m. Yeah. So here you guys are able to see it is going to trigger this workflow in a real time to send a mail, and it is going to book a meeting also, test and try and check all those things if it
Perfect.
is
I just
available.
sent that over to your inbox.
Okay. So
You should
yeah,
receive it shortly. Looking forward to our meeting on the 25th of February.
uh, so mail ID. Can you confirm the mail ID? Confirm the mail ID. So the call limit got it. So here the only thing actually I just try to fix more and more that so it can understand the mail ID. Sometimes we need to spell very correctly. So let me again once try and then make a call. And right now here you can see in a real time the credits. Hey, hi.
Sophia, I work with security operations across Canada. I know this is out of the blue, but I genuinely need more information.
Fine, fine. Can you send me a mail directly and book a meeting for 8 p.m. on 25th Feb? Mail me at dhruv@gmail.com.
Got it. Confirm the email is at dhrv@direct@gmail.com. Could you just confirm the spelling for me? I
Yes,
want to make sure I get it right.
dhruv@gmail.com. And here we go. Here we go.
Perfect. I just sent that over to your inbox. Looking forward to our meeting on February 25th at 8 p.m. If you have any questions
Mm,
before then, feel
No,
free to reach out.
just confirm the mail again. Like a mail, I can say it's not correct.
Okay. Certainly, the email I have is
No,
dhrv@gmail.com.
it's dhruv.
Let me Perfect. I just sent that over to your inbox. Looking forward to our meeting on February 25th at 8 p.m. If you have any questions before then, feel free
Okay.
to reach
So
out.
here
Thanks.
you are able to see, right? In a real time, it is correcting the mail, but this is a bit we need to train more and more. Even I try to fix it as well. Uh, but what happens? I have added follow up mail over here also. So if so, right now here you can see every single demo confirmation is coming inside your mail also. All the mail right now we are doing it. So we can check who are requesting when they are requesting. Even you can see the booking timing also if they have given properly. So it is going to book in a real time also in inside your calendar. So if I'll show you calendar also. So right now I'm using also in a real time for my work. So the better way is okay, we got a notification, we got a transcript voice call as well. So let me show you. Okay, so here here we can see, right, here it booked because the timing was the Canada time that I preferred. So yes, it booked in a real time. So yeah, but this is a method that we need to follow to use this. Okay, and now the main thing how we can do setup and all, and these things can be done again and again once you will practice, like once you are going to make it with your data and with your prompt, because every single time we all have to change our prompt. Now let me show you how we can do that. Okay, so here we have different assistant that you can create. Right now this assistant was created for security company that is based out of Canada. Okay, and this is something I created in a real time so we can show for the test to the company as well, and that what I am showing you in front of you. Fine. So how we can create like the assistant, all you need to go click here, click on create a new assistant, and then done. Like you can create a new assistant from here. Now what we need to choose a model. You can just choose always OpenAI. we do have different clusters over here. You can test again with mini as well, because the more different cluster you have, the cost will be plus and minus. Right now here you can see we are paying $0.2 for per minute. If you want to decrease the cost, in that case we can choose different, this one, like where is not very weak model suggest, this one we can also choose GPT-4o mini cluster. So that also works. Okay. And then message assistant speaks first, that's fine. So this is something assistant wait for user. If you wanted to keep assistant wait for user, that happens in the case of someone is calling you. Okay, so if someone is calling, in that case assistant can wait, and then user will speak, then assistant will speak. If it is an outbound call, in that case always keep assistant speak first. Then this is a first message. Okay, hi Abhijit, right now I fixed it because I know I'm going to talk this person. If not, then we can uh, remove it also, and the system can ask directly the real name, and based on that it can discuss with that particular person. Then I work with security operations teams across Canada. I know this is out of the blue, but I genuinely, so these are all genuinely think you will want to hear this. Do you have 2 minutes? So how I created this prompt? Of course, using Chat GPT and Cloud Code. So all you can do, you can copy and paste this particular prompt and change it on your own tone, on your own way. Then this is something main system prompt, which is again very detailed. You are a Sophia, a sharp and friendly AI business development specialist who works with security companies across Canada to automate their operations using AI. You are initially calling Abhijit Sindhu, a customer success and all. So I just hard coded, but we can tweak this based on inbound and outbound. So if I'll show you also here, I have different assistant which works for inbound also, which works for outbound also. Let it be open, and then yeah, so you can see this is very detailed prompt. So you understand, okay, these things, then critical dynamic adaptations and all, you must adapt in real time to whoever is actually on the call. This is a demo environment. Expect the unexpected. Rule number one, name corrections. So here I try to edit so much things. See, rule number one. Rule number two, role play, hi there and all. Then follow up messages, ask what type of. So these things we need to add. Try to keep prompt as short as possible but effective, because the more prompt you will keep, a little bit delay will happen, and then your agent will try to hallucinate or not give that much impact. But try to keep as much as possible. In this mode, you are a paladin sales agent, professional, helpful, consultative. You are qualifying potential security clients. Rule number three, demo awareness. Rule number four, multiple people on the call, unknown person, testing trick questions, everything. You must, how you must sound. So here we have added the tonality also, then permissions, and here we have if he says yes and no, time busy, and also what you have to reply. So you can see all if and buts we have added. So if user is discussing and talking in a real time, then what you have to answer. If the person says and all, so you can see phase two, pain discovery, solutions and all, close book the meeting, what did I suggest and all, objection handling. Okay, and then these things. Now email capture, critical, get it right. So that's what, email address are the most important data you capture. Transcriptions errors are common on the voice. When asking for email, say what's the best email to reach out to you. After they say it, always spell it later by later. Let me confirm, is that ABHIG, like that, at paladinsecurity.com. If the email sounds unclear, say sorry .com or gmail.com. Okay, and sorry you spill that. So we have added, we try to add as much as possible to correct these things. Okay, so it can fix. So here we need to again tweak, just call, make it happen. If this is working fine, if not, then again tweak a bit, confirmation the patterns and all. So you all are able to see what I'll do. That this is very detailed prompt that I created again using AI. I'll give it. Okay, I'll give it. You will get these things using I think GitHub link. There are just I'll try to add this prompt. But right now, this is, you can see, this is the detailed prompt that I added. So if someone want to take a screenshot also, you guys can take a screenshot. This is very detailed, and this is specifically for one company, especially for security company, but we can copy and paste, and we can use it for different companies. Now the max tokens, okay, the max tokens of course to 250, keep it same. Voice configuration, so here right now I'm using OpenAI Nova, which you can use. Here we can use all the things. So whenever you are testing, try to use lesser model, so we do not need to pay a lot. Right now, if I'm going with real company, if I have to do a mock, or if I have to use it in a production level, in that case I'll use best, right? But if I'm using for testing, trying, fixing, then try to with GPT-4o mini, it will not cost a lot of credit. That's important. Okay, then additional configuration, leave it as it is, speed slow, that's fine. And then fallback voice, if you want to add, that's fine. I didn't add it. Transcriber, deepgram, English. Okay, here also I added model Nova 2, background denoising enable, and then that's fine. Then tools we have added, I added one tool, I'll tell you. So tool right now I created send a follow up, and this particular tool is connected with where this n18. So right now you all are able to see in real time, it is sending the webhook URL, right, through this. So this is what it's connected using WebP. So let me show you how this looks like, and you can copy and paste same. So this is how it is. Tool name, send follow up, descriptions, call this function when you have captured the prospect email address and need to send a follow up email. Call this immediately after getting the email. Do not wait until the call ends. After calling these functions, tell the prospect I have just sent this that over to you inbox. Okay, and then here you can see lock schema. So you can see the JSON, right? For this JSON, you need to add it. Again, I cannot write this JSON, but I ask AI to generate for me. So let me show you this exactly, which you can copy and paste. I'll add this also directly. Fine. And once this is added, then that's done. We do not need to do anything else, just save it. Once this is saved, you will able to use this tool in a real time, and all you need to change, so let me show you also, you need to change webhook URL. Okay, so call some recipient server setting here. So here we need to add one more thing. Okay, this webhook URL, and how you will get, once you are in your n18, this is what you need to copy and paste. Production URL, this URL we are setting over here, so it can directly call in a real time this n18, this one. Okay, this is what we need to put over here, and rest all done. So this JSON schema, if you want to create on your own, you can create like this as well, but if you want to put JSON directly, you can put that also. So it will take automatic, rest is done. So once this tool is configured, so why we have added this tool, so it can go in your n18 and it can book a meeting in a real time. That's why it is being set. Fine. And then predefined function and all, enable end call function, so it can, you can enable or disable also, up to you. So this will allow the assistant to end the call from each side. So sometime if you want your assistant to close the call, that can be done. Phone number, that's fine, leave it. Structured output, right now just call summary, so it can collect all the call summary. If you want, you can add more structure output, so technically this is going to give you more details about the call that is going to make. Summary, that's fine. Success evaluations, you can see, okay, this is also added. Then let's come down, and then only start speaking plan. So here I added, just wait second, this you can change on your own, or you can copy and paste. This is I added on my own. Smart endpoint on punctuation, seconds. No one, no punctuation seconds. Fine, fine. Number second, fine. Okay. Once this is all done, all we need to do, we need to click here and just go here and publish. Okay, that all we need to do. Right now here you can see we are paying almost $0.2 per minute. If you want to decrease the cost, in that case we need to use different, and you will see the cost that will pay, that will pay over here. Let me refresh also. Yeah, so the cost is has gone a little bit down from, okay. So here you will able to see now the cost is this, and I'll suggest you all test with this. Once this is done, test with this. Okay, the same way I set it up the Angelina also, that form, this over here the call is being set, this is set by this particular Angelina, this particular model. The same way, if you are able to see, hi name Angelina from this side, and she just qualifying the call, and then it is giving me transcription and recordings what she talked to the user. Okay, rest thing is same. Fine. So that's how we can set it up. Now the thing is how you can, second question is how you can add phone number. This is an important. So right now you are able to see I am able to add this phone number. I am able to call in a real time. If I'll add number, if I'll choose Angelina also, I'll just click on a make call, and you will see it's going to make me a call as well. That is like this. And
Hi, this is Angelina from Agentic AI Hub. You just dropped your number to experience AI in action.
fine. So we need to add number so it can make a call in a real time. So how we can do that? Once you click here, create a phone number, we have all these options: free WAPI number, free WAPI SIP, import Twilio, import one is import Telenex, all these things. So we can use free WAPI number. It's fine if you are from free US phone number. Okay, if you are from US, if you are from other part of India, it does not work. And even free is also up to 10 per account, and you cannot test in a real time very high. So we need to pay for phone number. What method I'm using? I'm using Twilio. So to connect with Twilio, all we need phone number, we need our account SID, we need auth token, and that's all. These three things need, and we can save, and you will able to see it done. So let me take you in Twilio how you can connect directly. Right now we are using WAPI. We can use different platform as well. Even in kotahit.com, I'm going to create my own voice assistant, and here you will able to see I added different voice assistant here as well. You can also go and test and try. So just I'm trying to make it as better as possible. Hey, hi. Okay, so we sell software solutions. So here if you will able to see is more clearer as compared to others. uh, when someone is calling, in that case a bit hiccup or something happens. So that's where I'm also working to make it more natural so we can use. And in reality guys, like if someone is trying to do it for outbound, that is not that much effective. But if someone is looking to make it work for inbound, then even you can make a lot of money, because in some countries doing so many outbound call is also banned. What you will do in that case? So once you have logged in, all you need to do just log in with your Twilio account. Once you will log in, then you will have some free trial dollars. Like it's $9 right now. Okay, so you will get somewhere around $15. So you can test and try only. You can, like, it is not going to call and work. It can make a call, but then it will take, you are in trial account, so you need to upgrade. You need to add $10 or $20 something over here. And once you are here, you need all these things: account SID, auth token, and Twilio phone number. Okay, once you have it, just copy this account SID, come over here. Here you need to put account SID, phone number. Here you can see this is the phone number that you need to copy and paste. And then Twilio auth token, this is the auth token that you need to update, this one. Once you have set it up, then you will able to see you are able to add your number. That all you need. If someone will ask, Twilio will work for free? No, you need to add credentials so you can talk in a real time. Okay, fine. So that's how we can use Twilio to create an assistant. Now, once assistant is created, then you will able to see we do have assistant ID. This is what we need. This ID, and we need phone number ID also. So here you can see whenever you are going inside the phone number also. So we have phone number ID as well, which we can use. For that, what we need to set it up over here inside our system so it can make a call in a real time. Fine, guys. Now let me just explain this workflow, how this does and how this workflow works. So like I told, we'll give you free JSON file for this, but right now this is being created for inbound purpose. So what it does, whenever any user will fill the form, like I shown you over here as well, you can go in quotahit.com, you can test and try AI call, and here you will fill the name with your details. So it is going to make a call in a real time. Yeah, and then when the call is being made, it will configure all the workflows and all, validate leads, structure all the leads data. So like I told, I'll give you JSON file, just you set it up and you will able to check in a real time. So yeah, once this form is filled, you can see over here name, experience AI automation live, drop your details and our AI call will call you in under seconds to book a meeting. You can change all these things. Field name is there, phone number is there, then email is there, and then how did you find us? LinkedIn, YouTube, website, then requirement, what's your biggest business challenges, all these things. If you want to add any more element, you can click on add form and you can add more element. Then what we have here, workflow configuration. This is my Telegram ID, chat ID that I can do. You can add your Telegram chat ID as well. So right now, because I connected with my Telegram, if you want to connect, you can connect, or that's up to you. To connect with your Telegram, you need to go in your Telegram, go inside the bot father, ask, say it hi. Once you search bot father, say it hi. Once you did it, just click on new bot. Once new bot is generated, I want test AI with Dhruv. Choose a name, and we can, once you have chosen a name, you can just underscore bot. Once you are done, then it is going to give you this auth token. So this is what you need to connect with your Telegram direct. So it is going to message in a real time, and you can use this user info get chat ID bot. So it is going to give you your chat ID as well. So this is what two things is important and needed, okay, to connect with your Telegram in a real time. So once this is done, then we are just validating the lead. Telegram chat, sales team name, fine. Company name, that's also fine. Once this is done, then it is connected with my Google Sheet also. Now you need to connect with your Google Sheet. So you can connect, you can click, you can add all the credentials and all. If you do not have, then you need to create client ID and client secret. You can create with the help of Google Cloud account. If you are using self-hosted, if you are using N10 account, in that case, you will not see this pop-up. You can click directly in connect account and you will able to connect in a real time. And once this is connected, then we are appending rows. For now, I have this particular sheet over here, okay, where we are adding all the leads. And if I'll show you this one, collect lead data. Okay, so here it is collecting all the leads that is coming, right? You can see so many leads we have collected till now, right? And it is also going to all the column that I added. Let me show you. Timestamp, name, email, phone number, source, status, requirement, company, AI call status, AI discussions, recording URL and all. Okay, so these are the field that is updated. And if I'll take you here also, here you can see all those field. Here in left side we have all those things. Just drag and drop like this, and you can connect all these fields. Okay, so let me just delete. Fine. By the way, I created now. So before that, I was creating manually. Now I created with the help of AI. Once your seat is connected, I converted this into my CRM. So inside our quotahit.com also, here I have CRM, so I connected with this particular CRM. You do not need to do that. You do not, you need all these access. You can skip that part, but here we have CRM. So each and every lead that is going to fill the form, that is also coming inside in my, you can see just before that we fill the form with the name of Prince, and you can see we got the detail also, which you can skip of course, right? But you can get a connectivity over here, alert on, sales team. So here you can see, click on create new credentials, add access token that we got. That's all, and it is going to send a message in a real time. Chat ID, I showed you the chat ID that you can use, and this is a format for text, name, alerts, name, email, phone, source, challenges, timestamp, AI is calling, done. So you are going to get in this particular format. If I'll show you in Telegram, here we can see we are getting this format, right? New lead alert. Why? Because we set it up in that particular format. Now, uh, fine. So this is done. AI is calling them. That's fine. Once this is set, then we need to send a mail also, right? So for a mail, this is how I again, for lead alert. This is how mail is, again the same copy paste. Same way you have to connect with your Gmail as well. So you need your, of course, your auth URL and all, client ID, client secret, and done. You need to connect with your account, and you will able to do it. Then, so of course, right now just I'm explaining, and if you wanted to know more in detail, then we have classes also there. We can discuss more, or if I'll create one more video there, in that case I'll explain how you can add through Google account. But all you need Google Cloud account, and even if you want guidance here, once you click here, you can see here open docs. To connect and do all these things, there is always open docs which you can read, and all you can see set up auth, create a Google account, enable APIs, configure your auth consent screen, create a Google auth credentials, finish your NIT credentials. That's how you can set it up your accounts over Google Cloud. Then add label. So I'm adding label also. So whenever we are receiving these messages, add some labels so I can identify. Now we are routing it here. Prepare AI input. So we can personalize mail for that person, lead name, lead email, lead source, company name, requirement, and then it is going to personalize. So here right now we are using Opus 4.6, okay, to generate a mail. And let me change this croak. Fine. And you can use GPT 5.1, 5.1 grok. You can use Sonnet also to make it more and more effective. That's fine. Memory, just I added Postgres, so I can add all those things. You can add simple memory also. You do not need to add if you do not have any credentials. If you already added, because you need to connect with your DB, in this case, Postgres DB. Right now you can say connected with Neon DB, so you can do that if you have. If not, then just skip. Then send a follow-up mail, and this is where mail is going. So you can see this is an entire HTML file which you can give to AI and ask it to make it as per your brand, as per your name. So right now if I'll show you the mail I showed you already, right? It goes something like this. And why it is in this particular format and picture and everything? Because we customize it for our need, for our things, right? That's the reason. So yeah, so that you can do. Now let me just, okay, once this is done, it will say now it is going to make a call as well. All right, so get a today's submissions, everything. It is going to get all these submissions and all. Now based on it, it is going to, so right now what I did, anti spam check. So what happened actually, this was totally, before that I didn't add this. So what happened, I got spammed. So someone was clicking again and again filling the form, so that also happened. So we need to set these things. Right now again, just I checked I did these things, which with the help of AI, of course, everything. Okay, this is something. So the call is only going to be make uh, 5, maximum 5 times in a day, and along with that one person can make only one call, not again and again. That's the reason if you will able to see my number was also going on like to block for now. Then allow calls based on the either block either standardized data incorrect phone number. Come over here. Once you are here in call lead, okay, this is where we need to fill the data. So just give me a second. Yes. So now what we need more thing here. You can see on call lead. Once you come over here, we need to connect with your WebAPI account. How you can connect? You can click post method URL https double slash api.wapi.ai.call authentication journal generic credentials type bearer auth. Click here on WAPI. Okay, create a new account, and then you need your API, WAPI API. How you can get that WAPI API? Once you go here, somewhere downside here you have API key. Grab your add key, copy, come over here and paste it. That's all you need to connect it with your WAPI. And once this is done, then body count content type JSON specific body, and this is what we need. Okay, so this is what I added. All we need assistant ID. How you can get the assistant ID? I told you right there. That's how you can get assistant ID. Phone number ID. Phone number ID also you are going to get inside WebP. Already I explained. So that you can copy and paste over here. Rest customer number, phone, and all these things. Just you can also copy and paste this directly. Just change this, and you are going to get a real time call. Okay, then I added just wait for 60 seconds. If user is talking, that's fine. If the call is done, then it is going to directly log over here complete. If it is not, then it will come to poll. It will go back, and it is going to get a detail call. If call detail is there only when call is done, in that case user will get a call. You can use same account before that like we used. All you need here https double slash api.wapi.ai.call slash json.id. This is you need to paste as it is to get a call details. Once this is done, limit is fine. Then we have ended or not. If this is status ended, that's fine. If not, then again go over here, and it is going to log each and everything inside our sheet that I showed you already. Let me show you again here. Okay, so you can see every single time whenever leads are coming, they are talking, and it is updating call recording also. So that can be also recorded. Fine. So we can keep all the record for further future references. And yes, we are done. Then it is going to log. It is going to send you again Telegram notifications. So that's how we can do and fix all these things. Fine, guys. Okay. This JSON file you will receive. Just let me know in the comments so I can share directly so you can fix, you can create on your own as well. Okay. And second, we have this particular workflow. Again, this workflow is being created with the help of AI. Just I asked to, we need to set it up. But again, here it is connected with the help of Webhook, like I told you. So every single time, whenever someone is giving mail or something, it is going to call that particular Webhook, and you will able to see. It will receive from WebP directly. If we will go here, it is going to send a mail also based on it, the simple mail that I explained. And then it is going to book a meeting also in a real time with your calendar. So right now just I added Google Calendar. We can add like cal.com or calendly also, but for that you need to pay. Right now it's just free of cost. That's the reason I added, so it can book meeting in a real time. Then it is going to log in a Google Sheet, respond to Webhook, and done. This workflow I'll also give it to you. Okay, fine. So these are two workflows which you can use to get a real time call and all. Fine. Now, how, like last time also I explained all these things, Now let me show you how you can fix it in a more better way. Okay, so all we need VS Code and Claude Code. I know it's a little bit intimidating for so many people, like how to fix these things, how to do these things. For that was a traditional method to do node by node. We do not need to do any of these things. What we can do, we can fix and we can do each and everything in a real time. So right now I connected my Claude Code. So this is my v okay, let me just share my screen as well. Yes, so this is what I wanted to share with you as well. So everything was fine. Okay, next 4 and 5 minutes, just I'll tell you how we can use, this AI to create workflows and fix all those things. We do not need to do anything manually. So what I'll do, I'll give you these two files. Okay, I'll give you this JSON. Once you have this JSON file, you can copy and paste. You can import directly from here in your N8N directly, import from file. And once you import it, all you need to do, just go here, go to your Claude Code, and make sure your Claude Code is connected with the help of N8N. All you need to give it to your API key, and that's all. So go here. Let me just delete all these things. No. So go here, search N8N skills. Once it is done, copy this particular GitHub, go over here, add Claude Code. How you can add Claude Code? Open your VS Code. You need Pro plan in Claude that you just get. Go over here, extension, search Claude Code, install it, and you are done. That's all. Once this is installed, then click and open the Claude Code. Once this is open, just come over here, give it a link and ask connect with my N8N account. Then it is going to ask you your API key. Give it API key. How you can get your N8N API key? Come over here, N8N in setting. Here we have APIs keys. Click create an API key and we are done. Just go and copy and paste either in .env folder or directly to N8N. And now it is going to connect with your workflow. Now let me show you something. Okay, so once I'll go here, can you analyze this workflow? And you will see it is going to analyze in a real time. If it needed any kind of changes, it can do in a real time changes also. So you can see it's pulling the workflow. And now that is how I create workflow. I do not create, I just explained you so you guys can understand what it is. All you need to connect with credentials. That's all you need. Even how to connect with these credentials, you can ask this AI and it is going to help you. Meanwhile, we are going to start future proof automation bootcamp as well. There I'm going to teach you in the same method that I'm creating all these things with the help of AI, that you all can also join. This is going to start on 8th of March, 8 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST. So there will be learning all these things in a real time. So you can see it is asking my approval. Yes, that's fine. Let me pull the workflow and give you a complete analysis. So you can say it is collecting all the details. So if any issues is there, I can fix. Like, and you guys all can ask to fix, tweak based on your, and it is going to give you prompt also, all the prompt. Okay, the call lead fix worked. Execution 3 got passed, but now call log complete has the same. Okay, period fix and all, and it is fixing few things as well because sometimes it happens error. So that's how we can use this particular Claude code, and yeah, it is going to make your work so easy. So you all can focus on work directly, not in creating these workflows and all. Just outcome. Yeah. So like here I am also explaining all these things, but if someone wanted to connect with me directly, here we are going to start a live class. Here you can all can join as well, and you can unlock this course. Once you are inside this particular course, then we create community, a WhatsApp community group. There we are going to talk to you in a real time, and even that what I'm planning also inside this particular course and content. Na, I also added one particular syllabus. There we will be focusing more on to get a client to make our brand, how we can do our brand building, right? So before reaching out to someone, because there are lakhs of people out there now who are doing all these things. So what extra you are doing, how you are doing, right? So we need to do all these things. So yes, for that we need detailed discussion, so we can connect directly in live class. There I'll give you an option to share your screen. You can talk to me in a real time, and that all those things will be done. So let me bypass all these things. Okay, so now here you can see all fixes fixed and live here. The full analysis, AI voice agent, instant lead callback CRM, AI architect node. You can see all the detail. What it does, from trigger, parallel execution, anti spam. You can see everything, right? It has given me structure. Now for take an example, if this was something for new person, no one know how to connect with all these things. Hey, so can you tell me how I can create AI agent in WebP, and now it is going to tell me how I can create WebP. Then whatever problem you guys are facing, na, keep asking this AI, and it is going to solve. So do not worry. Whatever you can think, you can do that. Just use AI. So by the way, it is just getting information from my thing, but you can do in once go as well. It is just reading all the thing that is needed to do that. Let me go. So here you can see it has given you proper idea that I explained, right? So you even do not need anyone's help also. You already have how to create AI in WebP, option a dashboard, quick 2 minute, go see how step by step it is telling everything. But do not worry, like doing setup, doing connectivity, like even someone is asking you how we can do all these things, just ask to AI and it is going to give guide you step by step, but only you need to know how to ask, what to ask, right? And that's why I'm here, that's why I'm doing all these things, right? So API, what you already doing, all these things already it's telling, trigger call via WebP and all. Mm, that you so N18 is just a platform which helps to connect different kind of all the platform in one place. a kind of glow for an example. So right now, if we have to do outbound call, voice call, there is Vapi, there is Twilio, there is email, there is Telegram, and it will connect all those platform. But the best part, it is no code platform like this, so anyone can create, but still take the help of AI. Do not do on your own, otherwise that will be taking a lot of time. So take the help of AI, and yeah, we can do that. See, all the details, it is going to give it to you back. Fine, guys. So I'll suggest use this AI to fix everything, make it work, and I already have shown you the possibilities, right? These things is being just created with the help of AI. These all thing is working in a real time. Just go and check. Even I added new features also, feedback. Here you can fix. You can take a screenshot also in a real time. This is again created with the help of AI. You can talk to in a real time. Here you can see try AI coach. Hey, hi. Fine. So you can talk to it even once you go in pricing. Here you can see chat with Sarah. Hey, so she is going to help in a real time to the people that uh, my sales agent. It can sell everyone in a real time. Fine. Hey, right back Dhruv. So it can remember all this. So these features is everything is possible with the help of AI. So many things is being created. Fine. Okay, guys, so this is all for today, and we'll connect most probably in next week, and then we'll have a live class, like I told you. So, if someone wanted to connect with me in a real time, one on one, just go and join this particular class. That's where we can connect and join our community. Or if you want to follow me, just I have this LinkedIn as well. Okay, AI with Dhruv. My LinkedIn is also created with the name of AI with Dhruv. Here you can see Dhruv Tomar, and if not, then just search linkedin.com.in slash AI with Dhruv slash like that. Okay, and yeah, if someone want to connect with me directly, we can connect there as well. So at the end, guys, what I'll tell might be few things a bit confusing, but just keep in mind, use Claude Code inside the VS. That is just like giving a prompt, and you can set up anything that you wanted. You can make it work. Just keep asking, keep doing, keep asking, keep doing. Because I did it, so anyone can do that. I have shown you this kind of platform. This is working platform. You can suggest someone. If you have someone who wanted to use for their sales team, they will able to use, right? So use this particular Claude Code. Everyone must have pro subscription for Claude desktop, and then you can connect with this directly and start using it. Okay, let me know in the comment if someone is having any questions and doubt. We'll connect again, and like I'll try to solve the answers in upcoming live classes. Fine, guys. Yeah, thank you. And yeah, this batch is for anyone. Like it is in English, so anyone can join from any part of the world. Instead of in VS Code used in CMD, it gives proper response. There are so many things that we need to do, so that's the reason I'm using over here, right? It's more easy to it's easier for anyone, like we are chatting with WhatsApp like that. And if someone is so right now, I have Claude Max subscription. That's the reason I'm using this. If someone is having just Pro, you guys can use anti-gravity also, and there use this ID. So even we are using this particular VS Code, under that we are using ID of Claude Code. We are not using VS Code. It's just a platform that we have, using Claude Code ID. So VS Code is one of the ID. Then above that we are using this Claude Code interface to make things works. Okay, someone is having any more questions? Fine, guys. Then thank you for joining all. Thanks.